that strawberries are packed by hand in the field? Here's a question for you. How often are strawberry plants harvested? A, every day, B, every 3 to 4 days, C, once a week, or D, once per season. Strawberry plants are picked every 3 days. Most other fruits and veggies are harvested and packed in a packing facility. Strawberries are one of the few crops packed right in the field. So what that means is how you see strawberries in your store is exactly how they left the farm. Wish Farms, your go-to source for all things berry.